Hi everyone. Today our topic is resume mistakes to avoid. Yes, resume is most important thing for any kind of jobs. Okay, if you're going for any job, resume is more important, and everyone know it, right? But the sad truth is that we don't spend much time on our resume. The first mistake, what we do, copy and paste. Most of the people, because the only one thing we say is we don't have time. Please don't do it. Don't copy and paste. Spend some time, okay? At least 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, and if it takes 2 hours also, no problem. Because if you want to get a job, if you want to get into any company, your resume is most valuable thing. So please spend some time and don't copy and paste. And even though if you're copying and pasting anything, try to resemble your experience, if you're a fresher, or your abilities, everything mentioned in it. Just change it. Don't simply copy and changing only your name and something a little bit. Take the format and change according to yours. Okay, that is the finest thing if you want to do. But in my opinion, if you do it by yourself, by seeing others, just do it by your own, so that you'll understand. Okay, next one is typing mistake. Typing and grammar. Yes, it's very problematic. Most of the people, the typing mistake, something when they are typing, okay, they'll do it. They're making mistakes. Grammar mistakes are there. For example, if I say, like, for experience, if they use like curriculum vitae. Oh, okay, good. But actually here it is curriculum vitae. Nothing much mistake. It's LAM. This is correct. This is wrong. But if they find that something like this, okay, LAM, it's a small mistake, but for the HR people, it's a blunder mistake. So take it serious, okay? And grammar mistake also. Grammar, you know it. Don't make any grammatical mistakes, okay? Next one is use professional email ID. Yes, use only professional email IDs. Most of the people, they use fancy email IDs. Okay, that's good for normal thing, but when you're applying for any company, your resume, so you need to use professional email IDs. For example, mine is Kalyan, and if I use Kalyan 007@gmail.com, or if I use Kalyan underscore James Bond @gmail.com. Just for sample, just I'm saying. Okay, how it look? No, use your date of birth or anything, just which is like professional. Use professional email IDs. Okay, because it will not look good for the people who are seeing your resume to think that, okay, he's not much interested in doing job. They feel like that, but for you it is good, but for them it is not good. Please use professional email IDs. No action verbs. this. You people are not using action verbs. We have to use the action verbs. Okay, what is action verbs? Okay, I already had a video. You can see it from the above link. Okay. Okay. The next mistake is yes, full text, entire resume. Most of the people I've seen, they use the full text. Okay, if 1 page or 2 pages it is there, they want to fill everything, that they had all kind of skills, so it will be easily picked by the HR people. Never think like that. Don't use entire text. Okay, once it's full of text, it will give a negative impression. It should look very neat and tidy, and even though if you have something, try to have more space on the resume. Whenever you see the resume, it should look good. Okay, in a page we have like 150 words or 180 words. Okay, which is looking good, but don't use full text. Okay. The next thing is elaborate in specific way. Okay, elaborate. Elaborate specific things. For example, I'm a sales agent, or let's be I'm a sales manager, whatever it may be. Just simply telling that I'm a sales manager working in MNC since 5 years. Okay, like hundreds and thousands of resumes are coming like that. I'm a sales manager or sales agent working in MNC for 3 years, 5 years. But what specific? We're not mentioning any specific. Like I trained 15 people in sales. I trained 15 people in sales and generated sales by 1 million last year. 15 people in sales and generated sales by $1 million last year. So something number specific is important, like 15 or $1 million we have generated last year. So when you are mentioning some specific thing, like some people are trained, generated $1 million, so it's eye-catchy for the HR people to pick up your resume. Simply if you're mentioning, okay, I had this experience working in MNC company, it's a general thing. But if you use some number specific, which is attracting, so definitely your resume is going to pick by them. Okay, I hope you understand, and if you have any kind of doubts, a lot of things will be there. This to some extent. Okay, we have a lot of things. Please keep in mind that whenever you go for an interview, spend time in checking your resume for these things. Okay, check once, twice, thrice, no problem. Try to find any mistakes, or if you're not using these or typing grammar mistakes, you can see. And one more thing, I can see that here RECIEVING. Most of the people write receiving. Actually, RECEIVING. Small mistakes. When you're writing fast or typing something else, will make it understand. But double check it. See if you have a doubt, and give it to your friend to check. Double check, triple time you check it. Your resume should be perfect. Okay, use this And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section so that we'll discuss further. Okay, I hope you understand, and see you again. Bye.